Welcome to Boolean Buffet. This is Praveen. Today we are going to discuss about another AI called Leonardo.AI, which is a free tier. Actually, this AI has a free tier, and we have some amount of credits to explore all the features. I think the last video I explained about the Kling AI, that is completely a subscription AI, and you need to subscribe. At least to explore all the features, you need to subscribe some amount, and once you registered you will get only 5 credits. But in Leonardo AI, we have nearly 80 credits, I believe, because yeah, oh sorry, 150 credits it has, but yeah, which is really useful compared to the Kling AI. And this is something you can explore all the features at one time. Then if you need these features in your career or in your work, you need to subscribe it. And before going to the features, what is Leonardo AI? Leonardo AI is something like designed to help users create a high quality visual content, such as illustrations, concept art, game assert, and 3D texture. So these are all the features are available in Leonardo AI. Text to image generation, like if you type any textual, like if you type any prompt, it will create or generate an image. And image editing tools, like it offers some features like in painting and out painting. Like in painting means filling in a missing part of an image, whereas out painting extending the images beyond their original border. And it will be used for removing the background and upscaling to enhance your image quality. So which is like something like the Canva, like you can use the image editing tool. And style consistency, this platform enables users to maintain a consistent art style across multiple assets, which is particularly useful for game developers and designers. And model fine tuning, advanced users can train custom AI model to suit a specific project needs, providing a greater control over the output. There are several use cases which is widely used here, like the game development. Like if you want to create a character or environment and items, then this AI is really useful. And graphic design, like producing the illustrations and concept art and marketing materials. And since it's allow some 150 related credits, then the students, or if you need any urgent requirement, then we can use this Leonardo AI to provide a useful content to your audience, or your target customer. And education, assisting in visualizing architectural design and historical reconstructions. So these are all the use cases allowed to use this AI. I personally use some images. So these are all the images which I created by using some prompt. And let me quickly explore features one by one. And this is the first AI tool, which is nothing but um, images. Like if you want to create an any image, like this is the first one. And like let me explain. Let me create a new image, okay? Like a cat with avatar look um, look stunning um, design. Okay, so I'll okay, let me generate, and let's see how the image will look like. So before introducing, or before making this video, I created some image by using the prompt, okay? And in call we'll try to create an image. Let's see. So the purpose of using the Leonardo AI is to quickly and easily create a high quality visual content. Wow, this is really look like Avatar, the character, which I added the avatar image here, so that's why the color and looks and themes, everything, it looked like this character. This is really awesome, and you can download it, and yes, it's yes, you can download and open it. Yes, this is very high quality content. Yeah, when you open this image, all details are very clear. Okay, the majestic cat with the piercing green eyes, a slender whiskers. Okay, so I just described the characters here. That is really a cool feature, and you can choose the dimensions and large, like whether it could be a small and medium resolutions, and the style you can change it to 3D. Okay, let me change it to the graphic design or illustration. Let's see how it works. And auto prompt enhances short. Okay, okay, I can make it the auto. Okay, let's create oh, okay. You don't have to. Okay, enough tokens. Okay, sorry. I used all the things, I believe. Okay, that's why it says enough tokens. Okay, so this is one kind of the image features, which is really cool. And when it goes to the video, yeah, I try to create some video, but you need to subscribe for creating a stunning video in this Leonardo AI. And this is something like the styling you can make. You can create a video by using this kind of styling, like vibe and lightning short type. Lightning, it looks like the light which has lightning at the background. And see, I introduced the cat character, so that the light is reflected something like this, and short type and color theme. So these are all the styles. You can choose any one. And video dimensions, likewise, the same as the image generation, you can choose your video resolution and dimensions. And you can choose, you can create your folder to maintain your collections. And advanced settings, I believe it could be video enhancement. So this is something like this is a model you have to choose for creating a video. Oh, so these are all the model coming soon. Okay, that is cool. And flow state, which is nothing but you can use the existing prompt to create an video, sorry, the image, or else you can generate a video or image by typing the prompt. I think I already used some let me okay, let me how okay, dog in cooking style. Okay, let me generate, let's see how it will create an image. Oh, see, I thought it could be dog character in while it uses the cooking mode, but it's something like it just plays some hat on top of the dog head. That is something which is not relevant here. Okay, anyhow, it okay, which is something to the prompt. I need to provide detailed content so that it will create an usable images. Anyhow, it looks like cooking images. Okay, so then you can use this flow state. And let me go to the another features like the real-time canva. So this is something like you can add your picture or the character. Okay, let me get some prompt by using chat gpt. Let's see, um, give me prompt to create image images in Leonardo AI. Okay, I'll because I poorly create some prompts, so that's why I just get help from ChatGPT. Okay, this is really a fantasy prompt. Okay, let me copy this and paste it over here. Okay, let's okay, I don't know how okay, okay, let me choose okay, I'll choose this one and confirm. Okay. Okay, I think you noticed something like this image. There are two images I pasted over here. One is look like the warrior, and another one is look like the avatar image. So that the output image look like the avatar related theme along with the warrior image. So this is something like the you can in paint, like you can remove a character, like can I choose I think this is something like the editing, I believe. Based on that it will the output will be generated automatically. See, this is something like the okay, editing tool. Yes, so based on that it will be created new images. Okay, in paint. Okay, let's try and I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, I think it's removing one of the character from my generated image. Okay, I think it's something like the editor, because exit the editor. It has mentioned like it's something like the editing tool, instant refine. What is this option? Because this is the new. This is the first time I just used this tool. That's why I just introduced during the call. I try to explore all the features. Okay, I think I can download this. Let me open. Okay, this is something really cool to edit this content or editing your images. Okay, okay, your generation. Okay, let's try to use this and confirm. Okay, and see, it the based on your input, your output will be changed. It looked like the king, I believe, sitting. So that is a cool thing in editor. Let me explore another thing, real-time generation. Okay, this is really cool. Let me paste the prompt here and click OK. So based on the prompt it will be created an image, and I can enhance or choose the options here. Based on that it will be changed. See, I yeah, this is something like the kids illustration I chosen, and tune and anime, I think it will be changed, and fog and illustration. So this is something like based on the option you can explore. You can create multiple images based on your character. So based on that you can introduce your character in your gaming platform. So that's what we really use this tool. Let me choose another option, photography. Okay, so based on the chosen option, the image really changed. Yeah, and environment, yes, it's changed. And how it will behave like when I choose the cinematic. Okay, okay, so real-time generation, that is another feature. And what about the canvas editor? Okay, so here the new, okay, let's try to add a new prompt like a sci-fi, and copy paste over here and click generate. Okay, enough tokens. Okay, I'm out of token here. I'm sorry. Actually, this is something like you can create an image, and you can use this tool and edit your images, and you can use it over your gaming characters, or if you want to edit your pictures, you can upload your picture here, your actual image, and you can generate it like the Adobe Photoshop, or like other Lightroom or Snapseed earlier, like editing tool. You can use it here. And universal upscaler, which is nothing but enhancement. You can you yeah, yeah, you can add your enhancement in your images. So this is the, for while introducing this I need to add something like okay, it works, I believe. Let me try adding another. Okay, collections. Okay, let me try adding this picture and sure, let's see how it will behave. I don't know, something like okay, I think I'm out of token. That's why it's not rendering. Um, okay, I need to, yeah, I'm out of token. So if I want to explore this feature, I need to upgrade it. Okay, anyhow. So these are all the features are really available, and advanced features are available like models and training. Like you need to tune your training the model, I believe. Let me quick this picture generate with this model. Okay, okay, generate. Okay, I think it you can use that model and that model image will be uploaded here, and based on your prompt it will be created an image. That's what I believe. That's why it chooses me to the image content here. Okay, this is the community editions. Like whenever you create an image, you can upload it over here. Okay, so there are so many options are available, and this, and also you can integrate this API in your application as well. So this is really cool, and this Leonardo AI, you can use it. You are generate your stunning images from text and create an game as gaming assets and maintain a consistent art style and edit and enhance your images. So with help of this upscaler, you can enhance your images and professional like commercial use. Yeah, it has a free tier. Like it has some limited tokens. So based on that, you can explore all the features. Like if you are a student or a hobbyist, or if you are a really a hobby guy, then you can use this explore this tool. And so these are all the positives, and apart from this there are some negatives like token is limited, and definitely we need the internet access and potential for repetitive styles. So comparatively Kling, it contains some several tokens. You can explore it. Other than that, I think both are similar. I believe because when I explore these things, there are few more features additionally added in Leonardo AI than the Kling AI, and use this AI in several industries like game development and graphic design and digital art and publishing and entertainment, like designing the book covers and visualizing the characters or scenes, and marketing and advertising, producing the ad creatives and social media visuals. So and education and e-learning, and creating a visual aid for learning content, and fashion and product designing. So these are all the several features and several use cases are available in your scenario, and you can use it and explore this Leonardo AI. That is really useful. There are so many AI tools are available in the market, and this is one of them. And this is the competition, like a competitor of the Kling AI. And when you have a time, please explore it and register it. And if I miss any advantages of this AI, just comment it out, and I'll get the knowledge from you as well. And let's see, let's see, and I'll give a let's see the new video. I'll come up with the new AI in my next video. Thank you so much, and bye.